Hello, my name is BJ Wagner. I recently facilitated a presentation on hydraulic troubleshooting at our spring technical workshop in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I'm excited to announce that we have turned that workshop into an online learning module available to you on our learning management system. If you were not able to attend the live session, you now have the ability to learn more about troubleshooting. You can gain access to the workshop in a learn at your own pace environment. You can learn the material from the comfort of your home, office, workplace, or wherever you have an internet access. In this online training module, we will look at the definition of troubleshooting and what it means to be a hydraulic troubleshooter. We will cover in depth the commonly used instruments and tools available to a troubleshooter, as well as look at the significant importance of a detailed and accurate hydraulic schematic as a troubleshooting aid. We will discuss general guidelines, best practices, and tips for troubleshooting. We will also review basic troubleshooting algorithms and look at real-world troubleshooting examples relating to testing a hydraulic cylinder that is reported as not extending. This video gives a basic introduction to some of the material you will see as part of the online training module. I hope you find the online training module helpful in your troubleshooting responsibilities. Get your access today and learn the essential foundations to hydraulic troubleshooting.